Hello Scorpions, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Wish Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 5th of October 2021 and so on, though timeless readings. Okay, let's start. First, there's going to be, for some cases, there's going to be bounce. Okay, a bounce of someone who you used to know as a very close friend, but there was a chaos between you and the person. Now, the chaos may be any type of clash or clash of opinion or something that was connected very personal. Maybe this is connected with the feelings, a chaos or clash. Okay, something that was not approved. Whatever was the case, you will know it if it pertains with you. It was something. Okay, now someone waited for someone, or maybe you waited for this friend to call, or maybe they waited because they knew that you are their friend, but something happened, and because of that, in any one of your life, like, you know, as an individual, and the one was unable to contact the person, and that created a lot of chaos. Okay, and now this may be the friend who loved you so close, a friend really, or a friend who was your lover or wanted to be. However, this may go from either side. I heard the word thorn, Thorn. There is something that you need to figure out, to clear out. This may be a tiny obstacle in the mid of your life, okay? Regarding certain kind of decision here. You're talking to someone, you're going to talk to someone here. Now, this may again be your friend. You are discussing stuff with someone, or you're trying to contact the person again. This thorn is also something that is connected with the small talk that happened, or someone who talked small, which makes sense. Someone who talked small, and it was not right. Okay, it was not right. It felt wrong. Something felt wrong. Okay, let's see. You have the devil. There may be a Capricorn involved. There's also your travel. I heard travel, but the coming time travel is again connected with a little bit of thorn. Thorn may be a little bit something that is upsetting you, or you're not so in the phase of big decision making. Like, you're making up your mind for something, you're deciding on a lot of things, but there are tiny little bit thorn. Okay, so there is one thorn, so maybe it is something connected with one problem. So it's not a big deal, but it is again a deal because it is connected with someone close to you, maybe with your partner, maybe with your own self, or maybe connected with your work or decision making here. Okay, this is also about the conversation that you should have. I am saying conversation because it is, I think, like a little thorn is something connected with a little sword. Okay, and it is something which is supposed to be taken out from this zone. Okay, so that you can move ahead with better decisions in your life. The devil, it's also a Capricorn. Apart from that, there's a bounce. Okay, there may be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you might be dealing. And apart from the sign, there is something passionate running in your soul. I feel like it's someone who is possessive about you. Okay, possessive relationship. This might be a thorn kind of situation, but I also feel, yeah, this is Four of Wands energy. Look, with the Four of Wands energy, this is about the current relationship you are in, or something that you have to share. You're talking to your person in order to tell them what exactly the situation is. Yes, with the Hierophant, there's a Taurus, but with the Hierophant, there's also some relationship that you are in, and you might not want to live in this bubble. It's not that you don't want to be in a relationship. It is something that you want to discuss the stuff with. Many of you love your partners, okay, totally, and you're dedicated, definitely, but you are figuring out how to shift this bubble of your life to other place. So it's basically emotional situation that you might have to tackle right now. Again, you have Ace of Swords, you're talking to them. Okay, so we're going to see what is your overall energy here, like your heart vibe. Please tell us. Maybe in coming 6 months or what's that? Maybe in coming months or weeks, you're about to travel, like plans are on. You have Four of Swords. You're working on something. You're getting ready for something. Okay, this is about high time mind and heart conversation happening, or within your relationship, you're talking to someone to clarify the stuff, to discuss this stuff, and you want it smooth as much as possible. Again, there's a sword. So there is a little bit of thorn or tension in your mind connected with something. Okay, and that's okay. We are living in this world, we do have tensions, we do have every now and then something or the other going in our mind, of course, but here you're recuperating, you're preparing yourself, you're as if like you are creating that armor, okay, the best version of yourself. This time frame is all about recuperation, retreat with the person or with yourself if you're single, working on yourself and becoming more sharp in your particular department. If this may be studies, this may be higher studies, this may be certain kind of competition, this may be something connected with, yes, of course, yes. There may be a Leo you might be dealing particular. Tell me more, please. Tell me more. It's like connected with the four sides, like if you say north, south, east, west kind of energy, or taking all the elements here, you need to actually take everything in account while you are making certain decision here. And you are going to, because this time is about your healing, it's just about your recuperation, I'm telling you that, okay? Basically, you don't want anything pokey, you don't want any thorn, you don't want any trouble, so you are winding up some stuff here as well in this time frame. Can you tell me please, what exactly? I'm seeing here a claw, okay, a claw, there's a claw like kind of like this, like this, but exactly someone, as if like someone is holding your one side, one area, one sword or something like that. So this may be your own struggle of like just like the devil energy, like bouncing something of a shadow, something that you want to leave, basically. That's what I see. Now again, you have the bottom energy as, okay, Page of Cups and Two of Cups energy. So first is Two of Cups energy. This is all about your feelings. That is worth, and you really want to reciprocate with the person. Some of you are already with your partners, I'm telling you, so you're discussing this stuff. Some of you have a little tiny problem, you might be taking break or you're on a hold before you proceed with something, and you are actually going to proceed with this because you love this person. So reunion is definitely coming in your life. If it is about reunion, you're about to talk to them about your real feelings are real. You're going to talk about this when you're going to meet them. You have the underlying zone of like, I want this rainbow with you, okay? Many of you are delaying this meeting for various reasons here. There are reasons with this Four of Swords energy, but it's not that totally guards are up. It's not that you don't want to talk. It's just like a minor time that you both are taking. It's just a little bit of tiny thorn that you need to remove from the relationship here, and everything is going to be fine. That's what I see, at least with the Page of Cups energy. There's going to be reciprocation, and the thing that is underlying is going to be up above, like in the sky, just like twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, I see a lot of hope and sparkling time in your love life. You're watering your relationship well, or watering your connection or any situation right now very well. And the reason is all about that you are going in for big transition, okay? So it's about, right about like a new skin is coming. Look, new skin is coming. You're clarifying, you're taking stand for something that is supposed to be. Page of Swords is like a very clear note that you are sending to the person, or very clear thing that you are doing in this relationship. Ace of Cups, this is what I want from you, this is what I feel for you. This is new startup, okay? It is, for some cases, it's also something you're clarifying to the person that this is what I love and I want your support. It's also something connected with upcoming kind of like some kind of contract, bond, registration, maybe love or work related. And I feel like someone is showing you in a very beautiful way, a gesture, this is what is, okay? You took my heart wrong, or you misunderstood. This is what I want. This is what I love, okay? My place is like this. You're in my heart, okay? You are showing to someone. They may not exactly, understand, or may go vice versa. Like someone doesn't understand what exactly your love is. It's very passionate. Like you don't show it. Sometimes you're like, from your face, it's like, but exactly what you see or you show, demonstrate is totally different. This is what you have in your heart. Okay. There's commitment coming in picture. I'm telling you that. Some of you are already in. 10 of Cups. Look, it's full. Okay, I love this much to you. This much love. Don't see the thorn. So thorn might be in your own thoughts, Like you might be tense about something, you might be having that fear of losing someone, possible, you know. Oh, let me see what is coming from the other realm. What is that spirit wants to tell you? It's a very clear thing. Love is on the horizon. People are working on a break time here. Why? It's just making up their mind, huh? For some reason. Am I ready? Am I? What is from the spirit world? Please give us the message from the other realms. Connect with us, okay? Whoa. I feel like this energy is connected with someone who is not approving something or is angry with you, or maybe they have that feeling of like, you don't understand my passion, huh? So you have Queen of Wands energy, but it's coming reversed. You are making someone understand here, I feel. Letting someone understand. I love you. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. You also don't want to delay something or disappoint someone. You don't want to make them sad, I feel. This is like after the pause, you're going to work, recuperate and express everything in one row. Okay, I know we stopped talking, or you know, we just got out of contact for a reason, I know. But look, what is that with the spirit world? Why she is reversed? Yes, someone is like, maybe they're going to deny I can't kind of energy, because here you are either doing it, Four of Cups, you are expressing something, you're offering something to someone, or someone is expressing you or offering you and you are not approving something, possible. There is someone you love and they are upset. I feel like this person is upset now. Some of you might be dealing with exact female vibe here, not necessarily though, these are general vibes, but I feel like you're going to show your love to this person, or someone will, because these are general vibes, so may go vice versa, okay? Definitely there's some offer coming here. Definitely it is something that you no longer can camouflage. Actually, you will have to accept it. You accept it in a way you need to see it, okay? Or they'll have to see it. They're not seeing it, or you're not seeing it, just because of the thorn. So now thorn can be something, those are last things of like your past things here, okay? That you are healing from something. Or maybe it is not necessary that we all are healing just from love matters, okay, or breakups. No, some other things might be on our mind, kind of energies, random thoughts, important to us as a person or as an individual, like a work, like you know, what I'm going to do in the future. I have to buy something, I have to decide on my further studies here, or anything, you know. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.